I actually started blending fragrances and making body products before I delved into hair. And my first foray into selling was selling at a church flea market in 1993. But it started out as this hobby and things that I did for myself, for my family, for friends. I love doing this work. I still mix up things in my kitchen to this day. It's like my meditation. What I began to discover as my hobby turned into a business is, one, the needs for hair that was not straight hair. So hair that was curlier, coarse, thicker, wavy. There just weren't many things available for that hair type. And I realized how much I was struggling in my own life to find something that worked for me. Just having rich moisturizers for the skin, ingredients that are more natural, that are more about caring for you versus trying to cover up and hide something about you. That was what I saw initially was missing. And as I've grown the business over nearly 3 decades now, it has just been remarkable to be a part of various movements, movements within having more clean beauty, fewer ingredients in beauty products, also catering to an underserved community, Black women feeling beautiful about their natural hair and not feeling the need to straighten it, but other women as well, embracing that inherent beauty that is inside of all of us and never feeling a need to conform to what someone thinks we should be. The Carol's Daughter Monoi Repairing Hairline is something that is so special to me. I found out about Monoi oil in French Polynesia and its rich history, how it's something that is handed down from mother to daughter, the recipe on how to make it. So there are Tahitian gardenias that are picked just before they're about to bloom. They're placed inside of copra coconut oil and they actually open up and blossom inside of the oil. It's kept in the oil for 10 to 15 days. The flowers are removed and the resulting product is the Monoi oil. And French Polynesian people have used this for centuries to have beautiful hair and beautiful skin. And we've incorporated that ingredient within our formula, and we love sharing that beautiful story as well. And we've been able to prove that you can prevent breakage by up to 92%. We've tested this formula on many different hair textures. So even if your hair is a bit fine, it can work for you, but if your hair is thick, it also works for you. For a person who has thicker hair, you may want to incorporate our deep conditioning mask when you need a little extra conditioning, but it works on many different hair types. So at Costco stores and Costco.com, you can purchase 23-ounce shampoo and conditioner together for $38.99. Now, normally we sell an 8.5-ounce bottle of the shampoo for $20 and an 8.5-ounce bottle of the conditioner for $22. So that would be $42 for about a third of what you're getting for $38.99 at Costco. We also have the 16-ounce size of the deep conditioning hair mask that is normally 7 ounces for $32. This is 16 ounces, more than double, for $26.99. These are limited time deals, so please take advantage of them before the supply runs out. And you can go to our website, carolsdaughter.com. You can also follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and on Instagram. All of our handles are Carol's Daughter.